What's up, guys? Christopher Walker here, back again with some more helpful health advice, all natural health advice. Today we're going to talk about something that I think is pretty cool. It's a food, but it has these benefits to it. I mean, it has a ton of benefits to it. Today we're going to talk about specifically its benefits for digestion. This food, Cayenne Pepper, if you like spicy food, then you're going to be stoked to hear about this. You know, I've talked in the past about how cayenne can help with testosterone and how spicy food is actually, like spicy food tolerance is an indicator of testosterone levels, which is really interesting in and of itself. But cayenne pepper has been used in general for many different reasons, and one of them is digestive help. And I mean, the pepper itself has literally been documented to be used for the last 9,000 years. So this thing is old, it is powerful, and you know, for spicy food lovers, you're going to love to hear the health benefits of it because it's pretty badass. So a lot of what it does, it works on stimulating circulation, and it reduces acidity in the body. Contrary to what you might feel, like maybe because it's spicy, people might associate that with acidity, but actually it reduces acidity in the body. And it has some detoxifying properties similar to other things like milk thistle. So let's talk about the digestive improvements that people have and can expect with using cayenne pepper extract, for example. So it's been used really, can help like calm the stomach. It's kind of a upset stomach treatment. Can get rid of gas in the body, can lower stomach pain. Again, contrary to what you might think, because it's a spicy food, but actually can stop stomach pain, can stop diarrhea, and for people that are having cramps, like menstrual cramps, it can help with that as well. So one of the huge benefits that it has is that it helps to stimulate the production of saliva. This is like one of the unsung heroes with digestion is that people, they don't really realize how important it is to induce the production of more saliva. So saliva contains a lot of enzymes that are essential for our digestive system to work properly, and saliva production, saliva flow really helps to stimulate the gastric juice in our stomach, in our gut, that help us metabolize food and to detoxify toxins. So the cayenne pepper is pretty badass because by stimulating extra saliva production, or bringing you back to a normal level of saliva production, it's really like shuttling all these enzymes down into your gut so they can really do their job. And I mean, it's something that I've never heard anyone talk about that kind of thing, but it's really cool and very useful. So that's why we actually also put it in our digestive refresh product that's going to help people kill off the bad bacteria, stimulate production of an improved gut health in general, that's the goal of this. To help fight back against all the abuse that we've put on our guts and our intestines, our liver, and that sort of thing for so many years, help you reset it and feel better. You can find that over at truthnutra.com. If you like this video and if you learned something, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because I've got so much more content coming out for you to teach you exactly the truth about health-related topics and what you can really do to empower your own life and your own health. So thanks for watching. Click on some other videos, watch some other stuff, and I'll see you around.